In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy 3commas subscription. We'll walk through the entire purchase flow so you know exactly what to expect, from finding the right page to logging in, choosing a plan and billing cycle, picking a payment method, and starting your free trial if it's available on your account. Start by opening your web browser and searching for 3commas. Look for the official site and make sure the address bar shows the correct domain with a secure connection. From there, head to the plans or onboarding page so you're in the right place to buy a subscription. Next, log in with your account. Enter your credentials carefully, and if you use two-factor authentication, have your code ready. Being signed in ensures the plan is tied to the correct account and that any existing trial eligibility is detected automatically. Once you're in, review the available plans. Each tier unlocks different features and limits, so pick the one that matches how you intend to use the platform. If you're just getting started, it can help to select the plan you'll realistically use now, since you can usually upgrade later as your needs grow. Now choose how often you want to be billed. You'll typically see options for monthly, annual, or biennial billing. Annual and biennial plans often include meaningful savings spread over the term, while monthly gives you flexibility. The page will show the price per period and any discount, helping you compare at a glance. If your account is eligible for a trial, you'll see the option to start a free trial with $0 due today. Click that to continue. Even with a free trial, you may be asked to add a payment method so your subscription can continue seamlessly if you decide to keep it after the trial ends. For payment, you can choose PayPal if that's your preferred wallet and complete the secure login and authorization in the pop-up. It's quick and avoids retyping card details. Alternatively, you can pay by card. Enter your cardholder name, number, expiration, and security code, and ensure your billing address is accurate, as taxes or currency will update based on location. When everything looks correct, finish by clicking Start Your Free Trial. Wait for the confirmation screen and keep an eye on your email for a receipt or trial activation notice. You can visit your billing or subscription page anytime to review your plan, see the renewal date, or make changes. If you're on a trial, set a reminder for the end date so you can decide whether to continue or cancel before renewal. That's it. You've successfully navigated the 3commas subscription checkout and are ready to explore your chosen plan.